Director for Umhlanga Tourism, the north of Durban. We are working along with Durban Tourism, as well as cover from Umhlanga River all the way to Tongati River. That's all under us, even Palito. Some part of Palito we are also under Umhlanga Tourism. We are on the northern area of Durban, and we have some beautiful sea boat cruises and deep sea fishing, as well as some hotels and some 2 different biggest malls in SA. And we also have a nature reserve as well as the Natal Shark Spot. We have accommodations. We have Chartwell Drive, which is also a restaurant street, I can say, where you find almost every kind of different food in the area, and as well as the self-catering agencies, art centers, indoors,